Hi everybody, welcome back to the Freakin' Jeep and Toys Garage. I want to thank you all for stopping in and taking a look. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and a like if you liked the video. Even if you didn't, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, it helps me out. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that little subscribe button, hit the little bell, make sure you get some notices when we put up a video. Behind me you can see we've got a white 14 Grand Cherokee Overland Ecodiesel. This one has been tuned and deleted. It's going to be getting a new exhaust. The current exhaust has a muffler delete, but it still uses the stock 1 3/4 pipe, which seems a little restrictive, so we're going to put the Banks 3-inch system on just to see how well it flows. And I'm guessing it's probably going to sound a lot better too. So let's get this thing in the shop, get it up in the air, pull that stock exhaust off, and put this new stuff on. Let's go get it in, let's get it done, let's hear it. That's what we all want to hear, right? We want to hear it. So I'll see you inside. Let's go. As you can see, we got the box here. Let's rip into it. A little unboxing video for you here. Been waiting for this for 2 months. It's been on back order. Finally get it started here. See what we got in the box. Foam, exhaust tips, This is definitely not some chintzy garbage. Some heavy pipe. Looks well made. All the TIG welds look good. Let's get this thing up in the air and let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, we're starting off. It's already got a muffler delete done on it. Both sides are deleted. I did the muffler delete on here, but it's still using the stock pipes. So we're going to take all these bolts loose, get the old exhaust down, and we'll fit the new one up. It shouldn't be too bad. Okay, I've got the tailpipes taken down. Now I'm going to try to get these hangers loose. We'll take the next section out. Maybe. Yeah, I can't pop those rubbers out of there yet, so I'll move you up here. We gotta get that joint apart somehow. That wasn't too bad, a little shot of oil. Okay, with tight spot. Oh. A lot of work when you're swinging, when you only got about 3 inches of swing here. It feels promising. Now we got that loose, I think I gotta get these hangers off. Wear safety glasses. Guess I'm really good at doing things wrong. Sometimes you gotta do them wrong just to find the right way to do it. There we go. doesn't hurt anything. Right here you can see the old exhaust with my muffler delete compared to the new exhaust. You can see the size differences. Very noticeable. Let's see how it fits. This is made for the 14 and 15 Jeep Grand Cherokee Ecodiesel. Works with a factory exhaust or an aftermarket. I'm just snugging it up a little bit so it isn't flopping and falling and spinning on me. Just a little tension, that's good. Fitment on here is really quick and really easy. A little squirt of oil in the rubbers makes a big difference. All right, now I've got the other one. Just a little drip of oil on that, and those rubbers slide so much better. Alright, I went through, I did some adjustments, got it all tightened up, and see, all new. Now I put different tips on, I went with a 5-inch tip instead of the standard 4-inch, but I think it looks pretty good. Let's get this thing down and see how it sounds. And now for the moment you guys have all been waiting for. While you tuned into the video, well, it definitely whistles. Well, that was just a quick video. Actually, pretty impressed with how it fit. There was only some minor adjustments that we had to make. Even with the larger tips that I put on, everything looked good. Sounds good too. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you give me a good thumbs up, and make sure you like and subscribe, of course. And always remember to build it bigger, build it better, build it faster. Just build it. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.